this is a very summarized version of Module 8, which talks about launching social media trends within the Viper blueprint. If you guys want more info, then watch until the end of the video, go to this website and you can check it out in more detail. I'm about to show you guys how you can launch a coin as a developer, and within a matter of days, within a matter of hours, you walk away with thousands of dollars in profit. You don't need to trade, you don't need to bundle, you don't even need to market the coin. You literally launch it and you forget it. And this is the only method on the entire planet which you can use your scrolling addiction to your advantage and walk away with bucket loads of money.
Oh my god! Wow!
Like I've just said, you don't trade, you don't manage a community, you don't stress about your positions, you launch a coin and then you close the tab. The way you do this is with something called creator rewards, and this is literally a untapped gold mine for developers. If you don't know what this is, pretty much when you, a developer, launch a coin on Pump Fund, let's say we launched the Viper coin, and then the coin starts doing super well, you get paid a tiny percentage of fees for every single transaction. On average, it's 0.3%, but it can go as high as this, or it can go as low as 0.05%. You essentially make money when other people trade. And if you get $1 million in volume, on average, you'll make $3,000, $10 million in volume, you'll make 30K, $50 million in volume, you'll make $150,000. And you don't need to touch the charts or even look at it once. The beauty about this strategy is you make money on the way up and on the way down. And essentially, the way you do this is you need to build a coin that traders want to buy. Guys, it's really not rocket science. You really don't need to be a genius or a developing mastermind to make money. Every single trader, every trader we see on Deck Screener, on Pump Fund, on Axiom, they have one single objective. That objective is they want to make money. And they will buy any coin where they think that they will make money.
The person you're on the phone with, they want to get rich and they want to get rich quickly.
So if you as a developer create a coin and market it a certain way where they believe they will make money from your coin, then they will buy your coin. And you can make money with your bundled position, or once they buy your coin, the price will obviously go up. And every single time they buy your coin and eventually sell your coin, you're making money from them with the creator rewards. This is, if you know how to do this, if you know how to build a coin that traders want to buy, you will be rich. I am rich from this, a bunch of my friends who are developers are rich from this, and hopefully you will get rich from this. Developing meme coins is literally summarized by this one single sentence. Build a coin that traders want to buy. And there are a bunch of different methods and strategies that I can dive into, and that's what I do inside of the Viper blueprint. But for this specific strategy, I'm only going to cover two methods. Method number one is launching through social media trends. And this, like literally no one does this. It is untapped. It is a gold mine. What you want to do is you want to get on Instagram, get on TikTok, get on YouTube, and start scrolling. Figure out what the next big meme is. What is the next big trend? And this has a 100% success rate. Once you figure out the next big trend, like Italian brain rot, for example, this was quite an old one, but it still stands. Or for example, a big recent trend, literally within the last 2 days, was kimchi. This is a guy who made $40 million off the Trump coin. He's the aura final boss. Everyone knows him within crypto meme coin. He's like the golden trader that everyone wants to be like. And I knew about him around a week ago, but then I kept seeing him over and over and over again on X, on Telegram, on Twitter, on Instagram, on YouTube. I literally saw him non-stop. This video from a YouTuber with 300 subscribers blew up because he posted the very first video about kimchi. This is a up and coming trend. And if you were to see this, what you do next is you launch a coin or a few about the trend, about Italian brain rot or about kimchi. So this looks something like this, where this developer, he saw Italian brain rot was exploding on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and then he launched a coin based upon it. Or kimchi, right? It's all over X, all over Instagram, all over TikTok. If you are within finance, within crypto, within meme coins, you would know about this guy from literally the last 2 weeks, and he's really ramped up in popularity over the last few days. A developer saw this and he launched a coin, Aura Final Boss Kimchi. If we take a look at that coin, I believe it's still trending somewhere here. There you go. Kimchi Aura Final Boss is sitting at a market cap of $2.7 million. And as you can see, it's exploded. And if we paste this contract onto Pump Fund, we can see exactly how much the developer has made. This is my first time looking at this, so we can literally see right now, this developer has made $1,100. And you're probably sat there and you're thinking, hold on a second, but shouldn't he make a lot more if, you know, we're going off of this right here? And that is true. So what this developer done is he actually hid his wallet. Now, the average trader would come on here, he would see, oh, he's only made 1K, and he would leave it. I'm not sure why he would hide his wallet, but he did. Because if we go onto here, creator rewards, he actually changed the wallet, where the creator rewards go to from his wallet to this wallet. And we can see that this wallet has made around $28,000 in pure profit. 28k plus the 1k he made, we can just say this developer in the last 7 days has made $30,000 from this exact method. It is so incredibly easy. You find a trend that's upcoming, you launch a few coins on it, you can do Aura Final Boss, you can just do Kimchi, you can do Memecoin Final Boss, and then you forget about it. Same with Italian Brain Rot, same with Kimchi, same with the 100 other coins that have been released with this method. And the best part is you make a lot of money from creator rewards, but you can also make a lot of money from a bundled position. Inside of the Viper Blueprint, I teach you how to secretly buy your coin where no one knows it's you, no one knows it's connected to the developer's wallet, and there are 0 red flags. And with that method, you can literally hold the top wallet number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. All of the top wallets can be yours, and you can make an additional few $100,000 with this exact method. We don't know if this is the developer's wallet, or this is the developer's wallet, or this is the developer's wallet, and that is what a bundle is supposed to do. So that is method number 1, and I'm sure you guys can see how easy this actually is. Of course, there are a lot more details that go into this that I'm not going to talk about on YouTube. That is reserved for Viper. This is just the basic outline of the method, and you guys can probably tell how much money you can actually make in doing this. You probably have a few ideas of the coins you can launch already. Now, move on to method number 2. This is twisting on other coins. So essentially, you find a rising trend, like let's say Italian Brain Rot was rising, or Kimchi once again. Then you search for coins. So if Italian Brain Rot was the rising trend, I would search for Italian Brain Rot. And let's say this coin came up. Obviously, it hasn't exploded yet because the trend is still rising. But what you want to do is you want to twist on the coins. So if we are going off the Kimchi example, we see this coin, let's say it's the only coin related to Kimchi. We can say instead of doing Aura Final Boss, we can do Memecoin Final Boss. And instead of all of the cash symbols, we can do every cash stack here could be a different meme coin. Or it can be, you know, the Trump coins or whatever, something like that. We need to pretty much just twist on whatever meme coin there is related to the trend. So with the Italian Brain Rot example, we could do characters from Italian Brain Rot, like this guy, times 100 of the characters. You know, you could even make up your own characters. Same with Kimchi, same with all of the social media trends that come out. And then essentially what you want to do is you want to launch the coin and then you want to forget it. What you are hoping will happen is as the trend and popularity of the trend that you're copying and turning into a meme coin goes up, these people will then jump onto Dex Screen, onto Pump Fun, and search for coins to do with this exact trend. They will then buy the coin, and once they buy it, you're making money from their fees. Or you can even bundle your coin down here. As they buy it, price goes up, and then you sell your bundled position into the wallets. Using this exact method, you can start scrolling and make a bucket load of money. This developer, he's probably made anywhere from $50,000 to around $80,000 in a single week. With that being said, hopefully you found this video useful. This is probably the easiest launching strategy on the entire planet. And like I said at the start of the video, this was a very summarized version of Module 8. Inside of the Viper Blueprint, I break down in depth how to do this along with a bunch of other strategies, whether you have $50 or $5,000. I tell you how to bundle, what times to launch, every single detail that you won't know up until you start launching. I break it down here, and this will save you probably hundreds of hours of your life and thousands of dollars on mistakes, on scams, and on failed launch. So if you guys are interested, check it out in the description. Make sure to join my Telegram channel where I will drop a daily alpha and you guys can get tips and tricks from a successful developer. And with that being said, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.